Hi, my name is Peter, and I'm here at the DataPath booth at InfoComm 2026. Real quick, I'm going to go talk about our VSN V3 series of chassis. Now this comes in a couple different variants. We've got an 11-slot version, and we've also got a 5-slot version. Now these are completely modular video wall controllers. We can slot in different output cards and different capture cards. This processor will be able to bring in all of the different input types that you can think of. We can bring in HDMI, we can bring in RTSP streams, DisplayPort, SDI, you name it. Now on the output side, we'll connect with HDMI and get those video signals up to the video wall. We'll put a software platform on top of this, likely our Wall Control 10 or Atria VSN software, and you've got a full video wall controller experience with layouts, templates, all the sources you need available to any operator. If you have any questions about the VSN V3 series, please visit datapath.co.uk and we'll be more than happy to help.